Hello and welcome to this video demonstration for Echoes of Others for INLG. So this prototype of a game is an Unreal Engine role-playing game where all of the dialogue for the non-player character NPCs is handled by a large language model backend. So that means that you don't have to hire tons of script writers and and spend thousands of man hours on this. Once you have a good enough prompt for each character, or a few prompts for each character, depending on the world state, you can have meaningful conversation with low inference times on consumer hardware. So here we are in the game, and if we decide to talk to this guard at the front of this town and maybe ask for entry, we can see what his response is. So, after a second or so, we get a response from Jeremy, the guard here, saying we can enter, but he has a few questions for us, and we can happily respond to those that we're just traveling through. So, as you can see, he's responding to me in context and relevant responses in good time. And this goes for every character in the game. So every character in this game has equal opportunity for expansive stories and endless dialogue options in comparison to games, traditional role-playing games, where smaller characters might only have up to 5 lines that they repeat. So any character we go up to here, and we can ask, "Hi there, who are you?" And this is the blacksmith here. So when he responds that he's Niels, the blacksmith, he forges armor, and he's willing to help us if we're willing to help us with the bandits that are causing him trouble. We can pick up the armor here that he's offering us gracefully and go help him with his job. But all of this is run through a fast API backend. So as we can see here in Unreal Engine, what we do is we get the editable text that the player can write. We combine that with the pre-prompt of each character, which can be easily edited from here. It's just a variable in the game for each character. Those pre-prompts go in with the history, the previous chat history that the players have had with the character. They're inputted into this fast API backend that we have here as a prompt. And once we execute this prompt, we receive a reply, something along the lines of this, and we grab the content of this reply, specifically talking about how the chickens were stolen, and we parse that to the player in the game. So this is all done on Unreal Engine using these blueprint modules, and it can be seamlessly hot swapped between a cloud module, which is the one we're using now through AI Explain, a locally hosted 4-bit fine-tuned model, fine-tuned on other RPG game dialogue scripts, or a base model, which is just an open Hermes model, which is specifically trained on role-playing contexts. But that's it for this prototype. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you at INLG.